In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where your ASUS laptop is running slowly. So the first thing you want to do is head over to the Start menu and search for Armoury Crate, and then click on the application like so. In the left-hand navigation, come over to the Scenario Profiles button and select Create New Profile. From here, scroll across this navigation and make sure Operating Mode is set to Performance, and make sure Operating Mode AC is set to Turbo. Once you've done that, click on Save in the bottom of the screen, and then you can close out of this window, head over to your Start menu and search for Settings, and then click on the Settings window. From the left-hand side, select System, scroll down and click on Storage. Scroll down and make sure you have Storage Sense turned on and enabled. Click on Cleanup Recommendations, and from here select all of the options that appear in this list and press the Cleanup button. Once you've done that, we're going to click on Apps from the left-hand side, click on Startup, and from this window, you want to disable as many of these startup applications as you can. These are the programs that are automatically going to run every time you turn on your computer. So you want to make sure as many of these as you can are turned off. In fact, on my computer, you can see I actually have all of these disabled. And once you've done that, you can restart your computer, and that should have fixed any performance issues you were having. If that still isn't working, you can try heading back over to the Armoury Crate. From the left-hand side, click on Device, select System, and then click on the GPU Power Saving tab. Now from this window, you should be able to select different modes, and the one that you need to select is called Eco Mode. Now I actually don't have this option available on my computer, but if you do have an Eco Mode available here, then you can select it, and that should also fix any issues you were having. And it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.